Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on Crafts with Kat. So in the last video you guys watched me make a shelving unit. If you haven't already seen that video, you can go check it out. I put it in the recommended section. Today we're going to be making a small trash bin to make your room look a little better without buying a whole bunch of stuff. Trash cans usually get dirty very quickly and they never really bring any life into any room. Usually you want to keep it hidden, but this time you won't have to, because today we're going to make it look amazing. And it's not too complicated, it just adds a little life to your room. The best part about it is that it's made entirely of paper, tape, and some yarn. A few people said that in my last video a lot of the stuff that I had to buy to make the shelving unit was going to be expensive. So this time I'm adding something simple and cheap yet exciting. First, we're going to make little triangles, and these are going to be pretty strong because they're made of rolled up paper. So to make these, we're going to put some tape at a corner of the page with the back side sticky side up, and then roll from the opposite side to the tape to secure it. So you're going to make 48 of these. I know it's a lot, but that's all the paper we're going to be using for the rest of the thing. In this video, I use printer paper, but of course you can use whatever paper you have. That can be loose leaf, colored paper, scrap paper, whatever you want to use. I just use printer paper because that's what I had on hand, but get creative and use up different things. And if you guys make anything like this, please tell me in the comments because I love to know what you make. After we make the rolled up paper, we're going to bend it into a triangle the way you see me do here and put a piece of tape at the bottom to hold it there. The next part is the layers, and for the layers, all we have to do is tape the triangles together, one being up and the other being down. How you see me do here is basically the most convenient. So then, what you want to do is put 16 of the triangles in each layer, all taped up to make a circle. After that's done, you should be left with 3 full circles. Now we make the base, and for the base, this is the first time in the project that we're going to be using yarn. So you're just going to want to weave the yarn through the bottom in any way that you like, just go crazy. This is basically the easiest part because there are no instructions, just have fun with it. After the base is done, we're going to attach all 3 layers to each other, and how we do this is by taping the triangles that have the bottom sides lining up to the other triangles. So this is where the project begins to look like a cylinder. Now that the base and the layers are made, we just have one last part, and that is to secure the connectors. How we do this is by taping up all the places where we see 6 triangles meet. All I did here was take a piece of yarn that was about a wingspan and a half long, or about 2 meters, and then tie connectors up and down in a crisscross motion, and then up and down again. This is the final project. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you like the video, and if you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments and I will try to make a video about it. Let me know if you guys use my idea. I would love to hear your suggestions. Bye bye!